Hey, hi everyone. So we have a problem here. Write a Java code to reverse the alphabets in a sentence without reversing the sequence of words. So it simply means that you have a string with John Doe. You need to keep the sequence of words same. Just reverse the alphabets in their string. So if you have the input as John Doe, output should be NHOJ, NHOJ space UD. We'll solve this in two parts. First part is splitting the string, and the second part is actually trying to operate on the string, finally reading the output. So let's try to understand this. So yeah, so first step is pretty straightforward. We just take this string, split this using a regular expression. Uh, okay, and then you'll have the this array of string, right? And then you create a result builder, which we will use later on. A result builder is basically a string builder object. String builder because string is immutable and string builder is mutable. So you can actually operate on the string builder. It's a string. It's just a kind of string object which can be modified and operated on. Right. So this is the first step. Second step is we'll take the string. We have the string array over here. We'll take each and every word from the string, okay, and try to operate on that using the second loop, okay. So let me just open the whiteboard and try to explain to you what we are doing in the first loop. Okay, so let's say we have John space OG. We have already split. Okay. Now we are operating on the John. So these strings, out of this string array, it will take one string, right? And then it will try to operate on that. So first loop is done. Now second loop. What second loop will do is it will start from the reverse, which means it will start, let's say, let's number it 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it will take the last element as dot length -1, which is -1 because array starts from 0, and then we'll take the last character, right? The last number, which is 4. The length is 4 -1, 3. So we'll start from the last character over here, and then we'll check the conditions. First, we'll take the last character, then try to append in the reverse builder. So we'll have another string build. We have created another string builder for inbuilt uh, operation for loop number 2. Okay, for loop 2, right? And then we'll try to append the last character of this particular word, of this particular string, into the first one. So what it is doing, it's just trying to do is it will take n and then try to append it to the reverse builder. So we have reverse builder here, reverse builder object. It will take n and store it for the first character. Then it will again minus minus. So it will minus the I. The I value is previously it was 3. Now it has choose to 2. Okay. I value is 2 now. 2 is still greater than 0. Now it will come here. It will again append the second place alphabet after n. So we'll have h over here. Then again it will go back, reduce the I. Okay, reduce the I to 1. Then first one, this at one place is 4. Then again it will reduce to 0, 0 to reduce to j. And then it will see is j. Then again it will reduce to -1. You will see is -1 greater than 0. No, it will come out of this loop. And then we have the result builder, right? So result builder object, result builder object, right? Then what it will do is, since this the characters it will try to convert it into a string and append it to the reverse builder. So reverse builder is also a string builder object. Now we add this nh to the reverse builder and append it with the space. So now we also have the space, right? Just consider the space over here. So now again, since we still have another word present, it will operate on the second word, which is DOE. If you operate in the similar way, it will start from zero. It will start from 0, 1, 2. It will, so the new I will be 2 over here. Then it will increase to 1, then increase to 0. And finally we'll have E, O, and D. So since the second loop is also done, second loop for the second word is done, we'll go here, then it will see that there is no word anymore, then it will exit this loop. So yeah, our problem is solved. And now at the end, just to print the output, it will just take the result builder, this one, it will take it, convert the whole string into like the string, it will convert it to the complete string, trim the extra spaces if it has at the start and the end, and then it will return the resultant string. Now talking about the time and the space complexity. So since we are using two loops, it will have uh, time complexity. Like the worst case time complexity will be order of n. So the order of n for one loop, and then order of n for another, which is like n square. Okay. So time complexity is n square over here, order of O because it is worst case, and it will depend on the length of the string, the length of the input string, which is John Doe for me. And the space complexity will be space space complexity will again depend on the length of the string, which is n, right? So space complexity will be n. So yeah, this is the space and the time complexity, and I can read like one more time. So once it runs, you can put any output. You can just add any input test to give you the reverses. Right, John Doe test. ESE2 should be at the end. Yes, okay. So yeah, if you like this video and if it helps you later on, just leave a thumbs up and comment if you have any questions. Okay, thanks for watching.